Have you ever faced a door that abruptly closed in front of you, only to discover later that it was the best thing that could have happened? Today, we delve into the art of turning rejection around, inspired by none other than the Stoic philosopher Marcus Aurelius. Imagine a world where every no doesn't bring you down but propels you forward. Rejection, often perceived as a painful trial, can become a springboard to greatness. It's not about cheating fate but understanding that sometimes, the universe's no is a hidden yes to something greater. Do you feel neglected, ignored, or underestimated? It's time to turn the situation around. In this video, we will explore 10 powerful lessons to harness the power of rejection. These lessons are not just theoretical, they are practical strategies you can apply in your daily life. Before we dive into the subject, ensure that this wisdom reaches as many people as possible, like and subscribe, and hit the notification bell. This tells YouTube that you find value in what we share. 1. Prove them wrong. The art of using rejection is not simply about proving others wrong but proving to yourself what you are truly capable of. Turn no into fuel for growth. If someone doubts your abilities, refine that skill, not for their approval, but to surpass your own limits. Dive into learning, practice relentlessly, and show a level of competence even you didn't know you had. It's not about convincing skeptics but building a fortress of skill and confidence. 2. Be kind but emotionally distant. In the face of indifference, choose to respond with kindness while keeping your emotional world fortified. It's not about being cold but protecting your inner peace. When someone ignores you, it's natural to feel hurt or frustrated. However, Stoicism teaches us to greet such moments with a serene heart. Offer a smile, a polite greeting, or a simple wish for a good day, but do so without expectations. Your kindness is a gift, not a transaction. Maintaining an emotional distance means drawing clear lines, understanding that while you can control your actions, you cannot control others' reactions. This distance is not a sign of weakness but a mark of strength and self-respect. By being kind but detached, you assert, I choose not to let your indifference disrupt my balance. 3. Ignore them too. When life gives you the cold shoulder of indifference, don't back down. Overcome it. Ignoring those who ignore you is not petty. It's a powerful statement of your self-worth. If someone decides you're not worth their time, it's their loss, not yours. By choosing not to engage, you affirm your own value. Focus on your life, your goals, your happiness. Dive into enriching activities and invest your energy where it matters. Sometimes, being ignored hurts, but use that pain as a catalyst for growth. Build a fortress of self-respect and let their indifference shatter against it. You not only survive their rejection, but you thrive despite it. 4. Don't react emotionally. Rejection can sting and make you want to react emotionally. But here's a secret weapon from Stoicism: serenity. When someone snubs you, it's tempting to let frustration or sadness take over. Stoicism offers another path, a calm and thoughtful response. It's not about suppressing your feelings but not letting them control you. Breathe, step back, and reflect. Often, it's not the rejection itself but our insecurities that hurt the most. Focus on your actions and responses, not others' behavior. Stay polite and kind. If you feel the need to reach out, do so with genuine concern, without expectations. This approach is mastering your emotions, recognizing that your self-worth is not tied to others' approval. 5. Show your worth. Rejection tests your resilience. Instead of buckling under its weight, see it as a chance to demonstrate your tenacity. When you're sidelined in a meeting or passed over for a promotion, breathe. Channel that energy into constructive action. Work on a project that highlights your skills or propose to lead a new initiative. Your worth isn't diminished by others' neglect. It's an opportunity to shine brighter. Remember, when one door closes, another opens. Rejection is not a reflection of your worth but a redirection to where you are most needed. Use it as a catalyst to reevaluate and realign your goals. By moving forward with grace, you transform setbacks into preparation for a comeback. 6. Cut off contact. Silence is a powerful tool in your emotional toolkit, especially when facing rejection. Imagine you've been ignored or rejected. Your instinct might be to fix it, to reach out. But embrace silence. It's not about playing games but reclaiming your power. Choose not to react, not to bombard with messages or calls. This pause is for you, to recalibrate and remind yourself that your worth is not tied to someone's approval. This silence is active and strategic. It's a time to refocus on your goals, your passions, your life. Think of it as a reset button, giving you clarity and strength. This period of non-contact is a boundary you set for your mental peace. It shows you are not easily shaken and have a life full of interests and priorities. It's not about making them regret, but showing you are solid, centered, and not easily influenced by external validation. 7. Strengthen your social status. Imagine you are in a room, ignored, almost invisible. Here lies your hidden opportunity. Stoicism teaches us to transform such moments of rejection into catalysts for personal growth. Instead of seeking validation, focus on personal improvement and community engagement. It's not about climbing a social ladder but climbing your own ladder of personal development. Activities like physical fitness, exploring hobbies, or advancing your career are tools to forge a stronger and more resilient self. Share your journey for connection, not applause. Engaging in volunteering or networking weaves a tapestry of meaningful relationships. Build your social status with a sincere intention for personal improvement and contribution to the common good. 8. Don't beg for attention. In the face of indifference, the Stoic way is not to beg for attention. Anchor yourself in your own value and independence. When someone ignores you, it's not a signal to perform harder for their gaze but an opportunity to reaffirm your own worth. Stoicism teaches that our self-esteem should not be swayed by others. Be firm in your self-esteem, knowing your value is unwavering. Engage in your passions and pursuits with a heart full of contentment. Realize for yourself what you bring to the table. Indulge in activities that fulfill you, connect with people who appreciate you, and cultivate a life you are proud of. By investing in yourself, the need for external validation fades. 9. Act as if they don't exist. Facing someone who ignores you, sometimes the strongest response is a silent one. It's not about being petty or cold but respecting your own peace. If someone chooses to ignore you, let them. Don't waste your energy trying to capture their attention or start a conversation. Focus on your life, your goals, and your happiness. In unavoidable interactions, maintain professionalism, keep conversations brief, and devoid of personal depth. By choosing not to engage in a one-sided struggle, you move toward better opportunities, healthier interactions, and a more peaceful mindset. Your response to indifference is a testament to your strength and self-respect. 10. Don't reveal your struggle when someone ignores you. The temptation to show your struggles can be overwhelming. However, Stoicism teaches the art of maintaining our calm. It's not about pretending everything is fine but demonstrating inner resilience. Continue your life with the same vigor and determination as before. This approach is not about denying your feelings but managing them in a way that maintains your dignity and self-respect. By not revealing your struggle, you embrace the Stoic philosophy of emotional resilience. Your response to rejection is not just for the world to see but a mirror reflecting your own strength and stability. In conclusion, we have explored together the intricacies of reverse psychology, unveiling powerful lessons on transforming rejection into a tool for success. Remember, every no you encounter is a stepping stone to resilience, a lesson in Stoicism, teaching us to channel our inner strength. I challenge you to apply these teachings in your daily life. Embrace rejection not as a failure but as a catalyst for growth and self-discovery. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, and leave a comment below. Share your journey, your victories, and even your struggles. If you lack words, simply type strength in adversity to show that you have followed our session. Your interaction fuels this community, guiding us toward wisdom, understanding, and, most importantly, the art of turning every challenge into an opportunity. Here's to mastering the art of Stoic resilience together. Stay Stoic.